In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger on Shopify. Having a logo that's too small can make your brand look less professional and harder to recognize. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Shopify dashboard to resize it properly. Follow along on your own screen as I go step by step. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and sales overview. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section called Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your website's appearance and theme settings live. So any design changes you want to make will usually start here. Once you're on the Online Store page, you'll see your current theme at the top. Next to that theme, look for the option that lets you edit it. Click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what's displayed. This will open the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your site on the right and your editing controls on the left. Inside the theme editor, look for a small gear icon. This gear icon represents your overall theme settings. Click on that to open up the settings panel. Instead of editing a specific section like the header or footer, we're now working with the general settings that control things like colors, typography, and of course your logo. In the Theme Settings panel, find and click on the option labeled Logo. This is where Shopify keeps all the controls related to your store's logo image. You should now see your current logo along with options to change its size. You'll notice a draggable size bar or slider. To make your logo bigger, click and hold the slider and move it to the right. As you drag it, keep an eye on the live preview to see how your logo looks at different sizes. Try not to make it so large that it pushes your navigation or other header elements out of place. If you prefer more precision, you can also click directly into the size field next to that slider and type in a specific value. This is useful if you already know the exact size you want, or if you're trying to match a design from somewhere else. Once you're happy with how your logo looks, don't forget the most important step. Click on Save. This will apply your changes to the live version of your store so your visitors see that updated, larger logo right away.